English for Everyone. Coursebook Level 2. Business English. Lesson 6.
The company's income fell last year. Income. The initial expenditure on technology was huge, but now we can work faster. Expenditure. Outlay. I'm selling these earrings at cost to attract customers. Cost.
Cost price.
Our clients need to pay now or we will have a cash flow problem. Cash flow. We have a large budget for this movie, so the effects will be amazing. A budget. We must do all we can to avoid getting into debt. To get into debt. The prices peaked in June, but they're down now. To peak. It's always hard to see a company go out of business. To go out of business. The bank charges for overdrafts now. An overdraft. The profit margin on these T-shirts is huge. A profit margin. When the CEO left, the company's value dropped. To drop. We need to undercut our competitors or we will lose customers. To undercut competitors. We need to sell 2 cars to break even. To break even. We haven't sold enough pineapples. We've made a loss. To make a loss. Changes in the exchange rate make the market uncertain. The exchange rate. Our sales figures have improved consistently each year. Sales figures. We need to make sure the accounts are always up to date. Accounts. High overheads make this business difficult to run. Overheads. Thankfully, there was an upturn in the market. An upturn in the market. Everyone suffered because of the economic downturn last year. An economic downturn.
End of Lesson 6. Thanks for watching.